I started hand cycling in April, and I immediately fell in love with it. I used to bike when I was a kid and did motocross racing, so that's kind of been in my blood. So as soon as I got on this bike, I was like, yeah, I can ride again. My last surgery, I've had some real big problems with my legs. I lost a lot of control from the waist down, and a lot of nerve damage, a lot of depression. Since I was isolated for a while. I isolated myself from people. I didn't know, how to socialize with my leg issues. I wasn't really sure how to even start a conversation if I started socializing, because the first thing you ask people is, so what do you do? And what do? I lay around in bed. That's what I do. That's my thing. But I knew it came a time where I knew I needed to do something, because I was getting into a dangerous zone. And so I was going online, and I found Southern Arizona Adaptive Sports, and talked to Mia there, and she introduced me to the hand cycle.
She's an Army veteran. Faith also has been dealing with some mental health issues. She self-described herself as an introvert and isolated for years, really, especially since she's been having issues with her leg, neuropathy. She's had back issues. She found us, again, searching around to try to come up with something to do, realizing she needed to get going or she wouldn't ever go again. And she's gotten out of bed, she's gotten out of the house. She's another slow and steady gal. She's training every Tuesday and Friday down at the Southern Arizona VA Healthcare. And now she has actually earned herself a new hand cycle. The VA is going to buy her a hand cycle because she's proven her commitment and dedication. That's Faith.
And so I'm on the team Ascension with others from Southern Arizona Adaptive Sports. It's just fun to get the camaraderie and the you can do it, because I need those. Tour de Tucson, that's going to be my first race in a long time. Looking forward to it. I'm doing the 28-mile run, and when I first started, I was like, I just want to finish. Just don't embarrass the children. I just want to finish. But now I got a little, competitive blood boiling, and I want to do a good time. When I started hand cycling, it just gave me a lot of confidence. It really made me want to go outside more, talk to people. It's really gotten me outside and socializing and feeling good about myself. It's really done an amazing job for me mentally.
Which is so important for someone who is dealing with a new life, with a new body. To feel valued, to feel like you're part of something big, to have a nice looking jersey, to get out there and have a big deal made about you is really important when you're talking about getting people, getting their dignity back.
This has been like a real godsend. And now I smile more and I'm happy, and my dogs love me better.